Guys, let's get it. Thank you guys. This is it, guys. Let's hit this jackpot and let's split the money. One more time. We'll do $100. $100. $100. $100 bucks. $100. Let's go. Oh my, come on. Let's go. Dragon League never fails you, Cat Mama? Oh man. We were getting messages to play just high limit because they yes. Tailbone. Guys, there is a video on TikTok that shows tailbone massage. Let's get it. We need a chip here, okay guys? We need a chip here, just to let you know. Oh, 54. Drop that chip, baby. Oh. Come on, chipperoo. Chip. Ooh. Let's go. Come on, retrigger. Come on, guys. Come on, Olivia. Are you watching this? Chip. Ah, fudge, come on. You're kidding me, right? Chip. Come on. We need a retrigger right now, man. I don't know what's happening here. I do not know what's happening here. What are we doing? What are we waiting for? Oh, fudge, I didn't mean to do that. Oh my God, you kidding me? I pushed the, oh my freaking. Jesus, guys, $11. Freaking $11. I messed up. I was impatient. Fudge. Kind of like my mini. Impatient mini. Oh, fudge. That was horrible. Oh my God. It was $11. What? Wait. Oh, yes. Let's get it. Guys, let's get it. Thank you guys. This is it, guys. Let's hit this jackpot and let's split the money. Let's get it. What? Drop. Oh my Lord, what the? Are you kidding me? Drop. Oh, thank you. God of Mini. Don't fail me now. Oh yes. Okay, let's just get one minor. Come on now. Oh my God. I never wanted a mini or minor so much in my life. Oh my God, I saw some words. If I get a major, oh my Lord, guys. Oh yes. Everyone's gonna party if we get major, baby. Yeah, we'll split like $1,000 each or something. Crazy. Speak math. I'm not a human calculator. Oh, Fudgeroo, come on. Oh my God. Let's go. Drop. Ah. Okay, 140. 140. Oh man, come on. Is that 140 or do I need to put it in the calculator? Oh, 10 cents. Got you. Decimals. Who said decimals were easy? You know what I'm saying? You gotta move it this way, you gotta move it that way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Come on! Not bad. Oh. Yeah. That's what Olivia said when she saw my mini. Oh my god. I am not okay. Miss Ratchet? No, I'm so good right now. It's my birthday, hanging out with you guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, guys. I have to. Oh, we might have to start this over again with $500 again. We might have to cut this short and continue this. Oh, because I didn't think it was gonna take this long. My boy is messaging me. He's home alone right now. Come on, let's get it, get it. Oh my god. Oh. Damn, I just had a hernia. Fudge. Okay. We're gonna go chase this guy. Let's see.
Much later.
It's still going good. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a little bit more here. We started with 500. I'm gonna go down to 400. Then we're gonna add. Oh my god! Come on. Come on now. Big buffalo. Okay, we'll just a big buffalo. So if we stop below 500, I'm gonna just, because we stopped below 500, oh come on, oh my, I'm gonna add, oh geez, come on, this thing is teasing so hard. Ooh, showgirl. One more. Oh, you dirty. Thank you for that birthday. Oh, I just want to hit something. Oh my god, come on, $500 right there. Forget it. This is just, all it does is tease. What I call feather on the nuts. For 1 hour. Trust me, nothing's gonna happen. No matter how much you feather it. Nothing's gonna happen. Can't believe she charged me extra for that. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Thank you. We're out of here.